narcissistic number is a number like 153, which if you take each of the digits 1, 5, and 3 and raise it to the power, which is the length of this number, which is 3. So if you take 1 to the power of 3 plus 5 to the power of 3 plus 3 to the power of 3 and you add it together, you get the same number. So this kind of numbers are called a narcissistic number. This narcissistic number using ZCubes language. So let's first write a function called narcissistic, which is going to take a number n and find its digits and also find the length of this number n, which is d dot length, and digits is going to give you all the digits of that number in an array. Then you take the digits in this array and you take each of those elements, call it x, and raise it to the power of k, and then do the sum of those numbers, which is going to be like 153. In the case of 153, it will be 1 plus 125 plus 27, and check if that is the same as original number. So if this works, it's going to give you true if the number n is narcissistic. And so if we said like narcissistic 153, it'll give you and say it's true. Now if you give 152, it'll say false. So the function seems to be working. So let's do an arrayify on this function so that it can handle a lot of numbers at the same time. So numbers that you want to look at is all the numbers between 1 to 1000. So it's an array. So with this notation, you have an array of 1000 digits, 1000 numbers, and those numbers are in the nums variable now. So if I ran narcissistic nums, it's going to give you an array of true or false based on if it's narcissistic or not for the entire array 1 to 1000. Now we are also using an array function called pick on the same nums array. So what this will do is, given the nums array, it will pick all the elements of the nums array where narcissistic nums is true. So if you run this now, it'll go through all the numbers between 0, 1 and 1000 and pick all the narcissistic numbers from the range. So obviously 153 is there, another is 370. So let's see how 370 will work. 370 has got 3 digits, so we're going to raise 3 to 3 and 7 to 3 plus 0 to 3 is going to be 370, the number that we started with. So we know that the result of this evaluation gives you all the narcissistic numbers between 1 and 1000. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 numbers. So let's go to Wikipedia and see if that is correct. So for the base 10, there is going to be 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 9, 370, 371, and 407. Yeah, that's exactly what we have gotten. So those are the narcissistic numbers between 1 and 1000. So we can do, let's say 10,000. So just do the sake of it, see if it's going to match what Wikipedia says. Let's look for the new narcissistic numbers greater than 407 this time. There's a lot of calculations going on there, and the answers, it added 3 more: 1634, 8208, and 9474, 1634, 8208, and 9474. And you can keep going like this to any level that you want. So this exercise introduces you how to use the pick function of an array also. Thank you.